Alright everybody, good morning to all of you. Here we are again at around 6 o'clock, well 3 past 6 of course. And this is gonna be 4-hour challenge where I will just keep coding, and as this is the morning time, so it's better to simply work on the project. So learning can be done anytime, that's really not a big problem. Like we can learn the things, learning is easy, working on the projects is kind of a difficult thing, and that's what we are gonna be working on right now. So let's simply go ahead and open Chrome. And one more thing, we will be taking proper breaks, because if I don't take proper breaks then I get tired, and when I get tired, of course, it's really hard for me to study. So this is the reason that I'm gonna be taking breaks, and breaks will be after 50 minutes. So for 50 minutes I will keep studying, then I will take a 10 minutes break around, then I'll be back and then start studying again. This is how it's gonna be going ahead. Let me open YouTube in here. It's mainly like working on Brainly project. Okay, let it be Brainly project. Let's learn together and all. And mainly when it comes to being like turning on the chats on, so mainly the chats are gonna be on in the evening only. So in the evening I will be turning the chats on. For now I will be turning everything off. So the live chat will be turned off for now. In the evening I will be turning it on. So mainly when I can talk to the people, they are gonna be on. Okay. So the first thing, let's open that Brainly project and then I'll talk about the things. The thing is that I did make this project earlier with the help of course the data. Right now I have to go through the project again. I have to revise the things, I have to plan the things, and then I have to work on the project on my own. So this is how it's gonna be going ahead. Recently we worked on the to-do project with proper authentication using Prisma and all. This project will be made using Mongoose this time. So let's see how it's gonna be going ahead. Let me do one thing. Let me simply open the, simply play the music in the background so that I don't have to speak much. And this is how we are gonna be going ahead. In case if there's something really urgent, then I would be of course speaking by turning it off.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. That's good. get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You know what I've been mainly thinking, that I have already built a website that was to do application using Tailwind, and it's been really long time since I have actually used Shahed. So it's better to use some libraries this time for design purpose. Ultimately, we'll end up learning them, and that's also gonna be ready. Ultimately, the project that we wanna work on, that will be ready too. And the another thing would be that learning Tailwind properly, though I have been working on that. So it's not like Tailwind is difficult, that's quite easy busy. But I wanted to explore all the features of Tailwind before even deciding that, like which one to switch. So ultimately going through everything that Tailwind has to offer, and once we have the things in mind, then we can just simply go ahead. So our main goal was to simply work on the Brainly project, but I'm not quite working on this one right now. I'm just mainly going through the project this time, seeing the stuff, and then I will be designing the whole page in the best way possible. So I will be adding almost all the features, and this time even I'm gonna be sending the user the verify email, that you have to verify your email mainly by just clicking on the link and something like that. So that will also be done. I think it should not take a lot of time, especially when it comes to this one. I don't know how long it's gonna take. So it's 2 past 7, 8, 9. We have around 3 hours for this class to over, right? It's been 1 hour since we started, and around we have 3 hours. So I think within 2 hours we can go through the documentation of Tailwind, and we can just keep everything in our mind, whatever is necessary. And once we have gone through the documentation, then we will be going through the documentation of Shahed. Well, I think I can use this easily. At least we'll have an overview of it. And then as both of them support React, if I'm not wrong, yeah, they do support React. So we may be using the combination of both of them. And I think Shahed is built on the top of Tailwind only. So that's all we have to explore. For now, we have to just simply go through this particular thing. So yeah, let's get started. And let me change the name of it to Exploring Tailwind CSS. Exploring Tailwind CSS. This is how it's gonna be going ahead. I'm just changing the title of the video, as simple as that. And as for the chats, like I can turn it on right now, but I don't really think it's gonna be a good idea. So mainly chats will be on, live chats will be turned on in the evening only. Okay, so this is the website that we have. Yeah. So ultimately this is kind of marathon type something where you have to just go through it. By the way, there are many versions of it. It's not like I'm using it the first time. I have used other time, like previous two. There are different versions, and as per the versions, the use case different like differentiates. And the blog, what does it provide? I'm gonna simply explore all the features that are actually provided in here. Okay, this is the blog. So ultimately they are providing the features, right? Like July 25 vanilla JavaScript for Tailwind. There are a lot of UI blocks in Tailwind that need JavaScript to really useful, like dialogues, dropdowns, command players, and more or less your. Ultimately, whatever they are using or whatever features they are adding, they are just simply letting us know in here. And yeah, so this is their blog. What about the showcase? You can build anything with Tailwind CSS. Well, not quite anything, like you can't build a spaceship with it, but you can definitely build the website for the spaceship. NASA did. Okay. How about these templates? I think they must be paid. So let's simply check them out. Free trial they are giving us. But this is what they actually made using Tailwind. Wow. Amazing, yeah. Like such things can be made too. This is made using Tailwind, really? And Tailwind is being converted into normal CSS in the background, so you should keep that particular thing in mind. If I just click on this one, he's a real user, come on. You still have questions, contact us. Interesting. How about the light mode? It looks like this. So this dark mode, light mode, it is in the system. It is actually mentioned below. I can change the language of it. Whoa. How are these things possible? I think it's data saved in database. As per that things are actually changing. What about if I just select the Chinese language? I hope that's Chinese if I'm not wrong. So everything is converted into Chinese. That means this is the data that's coming from the backend, and that data is in Chinese, so it's being converted, as simple as that. So this is how we are gonna be going ahead. Your email, you can enter your email and then click. Wow, even this looks great. Yeah, instead of giving a button in here, they are just simply giving this thing. The way they have designed things, we will try to replicate these things. We will try to create as close as we can. This is, I think, just the front end. Yeah, this is definitely just the front end. Get free trial, and it is like this. There are many websites. First of all, CodeRabbit, Shopify, BaseUI, Graffiti. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Clerk, Resend, Polar, Namespace, TipTap, Mux, Z, PostHawk. Oh my god. There are tons of websites. This truck can be anything, even an SUV. Okay. I think this is just a front end, right? Design your, let's simply check this. Design yours. If we come here, oh my god, this is not just a front end, the back end is also in here. I think the requests are going in the back end. Okay, let's see. Let's refresh the page and fetch access. We are actually fetching many things. That means requests are being sent in the backend. Wow. The request is going in here. Good to know that. Body style. Wow. Insane, yeah. Ultimately, we can design each and everything. Can we just simply order the things from here too? Oh. What am I doing? My main goal was to simply learn Tailwind, and I started exploring this thing. Ultimately, there are really good websites. These are all the websites that have been made using Tailwind. So, using Tailwind, we can try to build these such websites too. Primer, Durs, okay, whatever. There is how can I pronounce that? Spagel, Opal. Syntax is this. This is just like Tailwind. Get started. Installation. Get started. View on GitHub. Okay, so this is just simply a website. Yeah. Normal front end. So this is just a template. This is also a template. Another ones are websites, real websites. Okay. Love it, yeah. Spotlight. How about this? This is just a template too. Thing is that the way it's been made is quite interesting. Download CV. Well, I know it is just that. This proper dark mode and light mode option. And guess what? These have been made using this thing only. So we are not working on design part right now, but whenever we learn that, we had better just try to build these websites. How about this? Shopify. This is the real website. That means Shopify has been built using Tailwind. Wow. And this is how the Shopify website looks like. And I think this is the real Shopify. Shopify.com/in. I can start for free. Come on, I can start for free. Yeah, I can log in. I can use. Okay, so ultimately there are templates, there are real websites, and they are simply showcasing all the templates or the real websites which have been built using this. We can actually work on such websites to just get our hands dirty. Okay, this is how Shopify looks like. What does it do? What is the use of Shopify? I think, can we purchase something from here? Or this is used to manage the shoppings. Like if you are a seller and if you want to sell something. Okay, so this is mainly used for that. Love it. Yeah, even I just saw, yeah, here kind of a loader on the top of it. That looks good. That means loading state is being managed, and as per that, that's simply moving ahead, just like that. Yeah. Okay, what can we do now? Even the way they are handling these options, that's quite interesting. Wow, interesting. Yeah, like people are actually making crazy stuff. Base UI, this is also an UI. Wow. can get it for I think we can use it in inside React. Is there any sandbox code CSS module view notification? It looks like this. Close it. Okay, this is just a dialog, looks like that. Separator, we can get the separators like this. Toggle, ting ting, tooltip, toolbar. Okay, so many interesting things are there. For now I should just leave them. Okay, so the showcases are here. I sponsored, like all the people who have sponsored it, right? Tailwind is because a passionate community believe in building better software together. By becoming a Tailwind insider or partner, you can directly support that mission, so we can keep shipping tools with the no strings attached. Polar namespace max, this UI, Shopify, code Reddit. Okay, these people are the sponsors. Yeah. Become a supporter, become an ambassador, become a partner. Supporter 500, ambassador 2500, and partner 5000. Amazing. Okay, so we have just what about this plus section? What does this do? Build your next idea faster. UI blocks. So are these the UI blocks they are providing with the paid features? I think so. If I click on this one, pricing section. Okay, this is the pricing section. The code is this. Oh, we are getting the code. HTML, we can just get it for React. Get the free courses, don't really need that. How can I end it? Oh, come on. Here we were. So we can get it further. It is get the code. Okay, if we want to get the code, we'll have to pay the money for sure. So these are paid, and that's what they're providing if you actually want to build something really quick. How about get full access? Pay the money, get the full access. Oh, not bad. Okay, so there are UI blocks. Again, all of them are paid. You can preview them. You can get them for HTML, React, and Vue. You can get the templates. Again, the same. Even if they are templates, they are paid. You should keep them in mind. These templates, get template. You can preview it live. We have seen it. I didn't know nothing about icon designing until I read this book. Now I can create any icon. Oh, I think things are being loaded as we scroll. Okay, come on. She's gonna be cool. Resources, screenshots, table of contents, and also. Alright, we have explored almost everything. vanilla JavaScript support for Tailwind Plus. Let's go to the main page, and it's time to go through docs. Almost everything's okay. We have gone through. There you go. Can I do that? No. Showcasing everything in here. These are the websites that have been made using, I think, this Tailwind, and that's what we are being shown in here. Yeah, and this is insane. The icons are crazy. Okay, and ultimately this particular dark mode, light mode option we are getting at the bottom. That is good too. Cheap. Wow. The dark mode and the light mode. Mainly what happens is that the background changes. Things are changing quite well. Let's go to docs and simply start exploring. First of all, we can use this for white, post CSS, Tailwind CLI, framework, place CDN. These are the frameworks mainly when I want to use for Next.js, and there should be CDN. We can use this using CDN. How about the components? Okay, these are the components that we get. Let's go back. Templates. These are of course the templates we get. They are paid. UI kit is also paid. That we have already explored. Playground. What does this do? Oh wow. So it's like you can write your code here. You will get the result in here. You can just make it smaller or bigger, depends on you. You can change the version. Let's use the current version, that would be better. You can even change the way it's being shown. Wow. Okay, for making it bigger, interesting. This is how it's gonna look like. And HTML is here, CSS is here. There is no CSS, I'm just importing it, and there are no themes as well. And what else can we do in here? We can just simply copy the whole code. Copy it. Interesting. We can see the properties, all properties, just properties. So these are the ones. Theme. This is all about the theme, base color. Wow. So we are using pure CSS or what? Font and here we are. CSS is being used. Utility. So ultimately, I think the Tailwind is being converted into CSS, and that's being shown in here. Utilities, they're here. And how about this tidy thing? What does this do? I think this is the AI feature of it. How about this thing? Uh-oh. Can't. Welcome to Tailwind Play, the official playground. Everything here works just like it does. Okay, let's see. So I need a div. I need h1. I gonna say hello. There, it's exploring time, so I will explore it properly. At least today. Class name, class. Let's make it like font bold, text 5XL, text center, text green 800. Well, it actually works the way we wanted it to work. So this is the playground. That means it can be helpful. Play.tailwindcss.com. Sometimes you wanna simply check the things really quickly. But the thing is that you have to create the whole new project for that. You have to just even configure Tailwind, but this can really be helpful when you just wanna do the things really quick. You can share it. Oh wow, this functionality we have to create in the project, like the Brainly project that we are working on, but in here we are just getting the same thing by default. Let's open another browser. That's gonna be Edge for now. I wanna check this feature out too. This is the link. Just everything is same, just the extra code code that's written there. And if I just click enter, so I'm on the same page. I can preview it. I can see the CSS, I can see the HTML. Ultimately you can make the design, you can share the design with anybody, and the link is gonna be the same for this particular design. And once the link is generated, even if you refresh the page, nothing is gonna happen. And this is crazy, the way the things are being shown. Tidy, that means I have tied. That means if I reload the page, it will be the same. This time this website and this website, they have different ones. So if I just remove there from there and just keep it hello, the preview is gonna look like this. And if I just refresh it, hello there. Now this website and this website, both of them are different one. This one has another code, this one has another code, as simple as that. So as long as they have the same code, same this URL, we can access that, and if they don't have, we cannot access that for sure. Oh, come on. So let's close this thing from here. So suppose I'm working on a project and suddenly I need to work on this thing, so I can just simply write play.tailwindcss.com and done, and here we are. And now what can we do? We can just simply control X and I can say div. Here you can write your own Tailwind. Oh, this is really helpful. Mainly right now we are gonna be learning about the Tailwind thing. So this Tailwind play is gonna be really helpful this time. That's true. Can I duplicate it? Let's do one thing. Let's keep it on the left side and let's duplicate it and get the main tab on the right side. Now we can. This is the Tailwind play, of course. So I have to go to Tailwind CSS. Tailwind.css.com. So just by leave it. Just by adding tailwind.css.com, you will be on the main website. If you are just play before that play dot, then you will go there. The good thing is that this playground actually provides us the functionality, so we can just simply check the things out whether they work or not. However, the course, do they provide courses? Tailwind CSS by example. Oh, really? What you learn will breaking down using modern CSS, how to design, what pen to write, handling, approaching. So these are the things that we will be doing. Sign up for the waitlist to get early preview videos and behind the scenes video. Wherever you are in your Tailwind journey, after this course you will walk away with the confidence that really I have to just provide my email. Is that so? One audio book I have created this email for working on this stuff. One audiobook, one @gmail.com. Okay, I'll have to join the wait list. Really. Tailwind, you should get a confirmation email any minute to open it up and confirm your email to me. Oh my god. Now what is this? You got to be kidding me. Your face is smashed now. How is this made? This is an image? So wherever we hover on the image, how can it change like that? Save images. Let's see. Download.png. This PNG I'd like to have a look at. Oh, can't I see that? Why am I unable to see it? Oh, this PNG is insane. This is the exploring time, but I should be able to see it. And the thing is that I can't. Oh, never mind, who cares? But this one is good. Copy image. Can I copy it? Image is copied. Let's see, can I paste it somewhere? Can I paste it in here? Once the image is copied, you can paste it in here. So it's like the white background. Okay, but I don't know how it's made. I can inspect it. This is the canvas. Wow. The size in here, the main image is this. What all is happening in here? This is just a canvas thing, right? Okay, canvas is getting this job done. Amazing. Okay, now what? Why am I unable to? It's happening at both the places, and maybe this is something that's causing the problem. What can I do? I can restart it, but restarting would take a lot of time. Never mind, let's simply go ahead. Let's check the email too. Interesting. Hey, thanks. Confirm your email. Here we go. It's confirmed. Okay, this type of message we will be getting. Confirm your email, and then as soon as we click on the email is going to be confirmed, and we are gonna be stay tuned for whatever. Once you confirm, you will be good to go. This kind of email we need to send. Okay. And you know what? I'm getting tired of speaking now. Course is your community. How about this? Sorry, it takes 4 to 5 minutes. Everything you need to know. What about this? Wow. So this is all about the extra thing. Installation we have in here. Documentation we get all these things. Installation, got it. Editor setup. installation intelligence for VS Code, class sorting with the prettier. Yeah, this is what I actually need to work on. So let's go through this particular. How many things are JetBrains ID Z. Let's go to the top and go through it. Something like that. Tooling to improve the developer experience when working with Tailwind CSS syntax support. Tailwind CSS uses custom CSS syntax like @theme, @variant, or @sources. In some editors, this can trigger warnings or errors where the rules aren't recognized. If you are using VS Code or official intelligence, plus includes the dedicated Tailwind CSS language mode that support all of the custom rules functions Tailwind uses. In some cases, you may need to disable native CSS linting validations view. If your editor is very strict about the syntax it expects in your CSS file. Okay, let's open this one first of all. I think I already have it installed in my VS Code, but I'd like to check. But the crazy thing is that I'll have to close my Chrome. It's still not able to do that. Close this one thing. It's still not able to do that. Come on. At this time I have closed almost everything and now it seems to be working. Let's do one thing at least. Taskbar setting. As I have closed everything, I'll have to turn them on again. Why is this not working as expected? Automatically hide and just click on yes again. I hope this time it's gonna work. At least now it's working. Let's open Chrome. Okay, this time it's working too. चालू है क्यों? चालू है क्यों? हाँ बोलिए. Alright, here we are, and there's something that we got to do. Let's open the website first of all. tailwindcss.com. Here we are. Let's go to docs, and we can open one more thing. That's gonna be play tailwindcss.com. This is mainly a playground that we need for testing the things. And let's open VS Code too. So let's see the increasing bit by bit slowly, just to 62, around 58. It's not in getting more, but still the speed we are getting, that's not bad. It's gonna be around 8 Mbps per second download speed, that's good. And what about the fast.com? What result does it give? 260 around we get in them, and this will actually reach 300. Okay, it's reaching 270. Okay, it reached 300 to 90 Mbps. Never mind. By the way, let's simply go ahead. Today's main goal is going to be just simply go through the documentation of Tailwind. This is the first thing. We will work on this particular thing anyhow. This is the ultimate goal, that we have to work on this website. Thus, recently we worked on a website called To Do Project, and we actually added many features in that. And this particular website needs to be made. And this time I will try to use all my knowledge. Using all my knowledge means I will try to add as many features as I can. At least at my level, I can use the verification thing too. So I can get that thing done. So the verification will be done. And I already mentioned all the features in here. If there are some more left, so I will be adding that too. It's something like that. For now, we can just simply click on this and intelligence codator. Okay, so we were just going through this editor setup. Tailwind, we needed this thing. Let's install it on VS Code. I think that's already installed on VS Code if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is already installed. So let's do one thing, by the way. I'm not really sure whether I should do that or not. I have to go somewhere. It's better to continue to study instead of going somewhere. That's kind of a thing I need to get done. Okay, let's go through this particular thing for now, and whenever I'm gonna be coming back, I will continue from here. For now, this thing is done. Editor setup, intelligence for VS Code, this is done. Autocomplete, linting, hover previews, syntax highlighting. Okay, check out on GitHub and learn more. Add it to Visual Studio Code to get started right now, so that the Tailwind features that you use custom CSS syntax highlighted correctly, revealing the complete CSS validity, classes when over them. Okay, highlighting errors and potential bugs in both initial and markup, providing intelligence system. Okay, these are the benefits that we get using this. So the official okay, something like that. This thing is done. Cross class sorting with PTF. We maintain an official PTF plugin for Tailwind CSS that automatically sorts your classes. Really? Recommended for class. It works seamlessly with custom Tailwind configuration. It's a PTF plugin. It works anywhere PTF works, including every popular editor ID. I needed it the most actually. Check out on GitHub. Okay, let's do one thing. PTF plugin. Oh, come on. Okay, this is the way to use it, quite much. Let's go backward. Let's open it. Let it be open. Following recommend class order. How classes are sorted. Here it's showing that how classes are automatic class sorting. I need to go through this thing too. Yeah, come on. As I'm using this, so I have to anyhow. So these two things are done. I have to go through them. JetBrains ID like WebStorm, PHP and others include support for intelligence support company. Learn more about I have learned more about it. The includes built-in support for Tailwind sheets after completely linking over used for variety of languages. It also supports PDF. So official PDF plugin works seamlessly in Z when installed. Ultimately, I've got enough to go through. This is the PDF plugin that I have to work on. Then this is the thing I have to go through. Or Tailwind CSS. Okay, allow WebStorm. Okay, Tailwind CSS. And guess what? Let's see how we can go through it. Then Tailwind CSS. Come on, we have to start going through the things from here. For now, the thing is that this is the time when crops are actually being cut, and I am the person who is supposed to go there and cut. Okay, that's crazy. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm not sure, by what time is it? It's 46 past 7. By 11 or something I'll be back, so I'll be able to be live by 11:30 or something. At least for a couple of weeks I have to be like this only. That means I will be able to code at least for maybe 4 to 5 hours in a day, not more than that. And I think that should be enough too. Just after 2 weeks I'll continue this marathon type thing where I'll be coding almost all the day. So for now 4 to 5 hours are gonna be enough for a day. Soon I will just start coding throughout the day. Okay, so bye bye for now. Okay, and these types of things come. Okay, you have to go through them anyhow. So that was it. I'm gonna be catching up really soon.